Hello guys, and what's good? Guys, today is Friday. And I have not seen any setup today the whole week. I've not seen it. It's funny, but the market is in this level, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But the market is in this level I don't want to trade in. This consolidation level that I don't want to trade in. It has been there the whole week. This week has not really moved. Even if you go to the weekly candle and you see it, there's not really been any significant move the whole week. So it's so slow, but we hope for the best. This first quarter, I don't want to conclude, but though I'm up in profit for the month of February. But this first quarter is not really it's crazy. But right now guys, for my $5,000 account, I'm left with 3% to pass the phase 2 to get funded. For those of you who do not know, I am in the phase 2 for the $5,000 account, and I'm left with 3% right now because I'm up 2%. I'm left with 3% to get funded. For the 100k account, I am left with 2k, which is 2%, to pass the phase 1 and go to phase 2. And that's just one trade. If I'm able to catch one good trade, then that's what it's going to be. But this is the thing I'm going to show you in a minute. But yesterday I saw this very good setup. I was watching it the whole time. I saw it because despite the fact I didn't see a setup, I was always on the chart looking at it every day. So I saw this good setup that played out perfectly fine. But I didn't take it because it was in a level I do not want to trade in. Now in this level the market is, I have lost most of the trade I've taken inside this level, inside this consolidation box or this place I've drawn. Has always been losses. Let me just jump on the chart and show you this thing, by the way. So guys, this is the level I'm talking about. Price is inside. This is the level I've been losing a lot of trades ever since. So price broke out. When price broke out here, I was able to catch 2 wins here, and those were the 2 wins for last week. I'm not sure I took any trade, or maybe if I took a trade, I think, okay, I took a buy here from the support and resistance strategy I'm also working with, and it was a loss. So now for this one, I was able to catch 2 wins here, the trades for last week. But inside here, let me drop to like the 5 minutes time frame, so you see. I don't know, I think I deleted it today. Okay, yeah, it's still here. So this is it. And this trade yesterday, I was monitoring it the whole time. So I was just sitting here watching the trade, and I felt it was going to drop. What's funny is that I did set my limit, but I closed it because if this trade was going to be a loss, it was going to be more painful than winning this trade. Like, I just thought about it, I was like, what's the need for chasing it? You understand? If it is not aligning the way you want it to, then the best thing is just to stay out of the market. And that's what I did, because there's definitely going to be another setup. So this was the trade for yesterday. And also I think on Wednesday there was no trade, but on Tuesday, okay, I deleted it. Let me try to put it back. So something like this. So there was a setup here, and this is why I do not like the consolidation box. This is why I do not like this level, because it's not interesting at all to trade in. So there was a setup here. This trade I would have left in a loss, but mind you, he went in profit for a little bit. He did go in profit for a little bit, but came back now and played around till the end of New York session. And if he held this trade, it would have ended in a loss, which is what you see here. So that's just what it is. So it's funny. It's the box. The box is really, see something. Give me a minute. So this is the trade. Let's just put that. Let me change the camera. Something about consolidation that I observe, you understand, is that consolidation do not follow the rules of higher highs and higher lows. I don't know if you understand me. It's not like it does not do higher highs and higher lows, but it's very easy for you to violate it and still, like, it creates a higher high, come back and break the lower structure and still continue the trend up. So this is the thing, this is the character of consolidation. And when it's like that, it's really like, when the market is consolidating, consolidation is market condition, which is very risky for trading, as far as it sounds. So today is Friday. I'm going to look at the chart today to see if there's a trade, and if there's a trade, I hope it's a win. Like, I'm really being conscious, knowing the fact that one trade is going to help me pass the account right now. It's just what it is. Like, it will just get to your mind and be holding you, you understand? You start getting, but I'm going to follow my rules, trust. Trust, fingers crossed. I'm gonna follow my rules, everything. So I trade with the forex funder. If you are looking for a prop firm to trade with, please use the link below and get your account with the forex funder. You can use this code and get about 30% off. The forex funder, I've been documenting them here for more than 4 months. Y'all could see I'm trading 2 prop firm alongside. It's not like there's one fucking up and one is not. You understand? The 2 of them are really good. The spread is nice. Everything is good. So if you're looking for a prop firm, use the link below and get an account. And also for US traders, I see what's going on there. Like the industry is really shaking right now. I would say it's really shaking, and I see so many people switching to futures. For the truth, that futures is really a good option. That's what I'm going to say. The futures part of trading is like really a good option because there it is regulated and there's not too much like the way forex trading is. Like any other trading is just, even crypto at this point is better than forex trading because these brokers just come out and, you understand, brokers, prop firm just come out and be playing and be doing everybody dirty. You know what I'm saying? So I see so many people going for futures. I think that's a very good option. If you're in the US, futures is the best thing right now. Just go. But yeah, I'll take heart. So many people have gotten accounts. Some people are funded with all these prop firms. I know how hard it is to get funded. Like, it's taking me now like 8 months to get funded. Then imagine getting funded and the next thing they're telling me we cannot continue this program again and all those things. It is going to be something like, it's going to bring you down if you allow it to. But yeah, I'll be strong because there's a lot going on for real. It's just a stage, like it's a stage, you understand? I would say regulation is coming into the industry, which is a good thing. We might be losing accounts now, but regulation is a good thing. If it comes into this industry, chances are your money will become safer than ever. That's what it is. So yeah, I'll take heart, US clients, US traders. Let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going to update you if I take any trade today. Let's go. So guys, today's Friday and nothing to trade today again. It's absolutely funny. I cannot remember the last week or the last time I didn't trade in a week, in a full week. So look at it. So London was trending. This is London low. The market didn't break here, neither did the market break above London high. And regardless of that, the market is still inside this. Let me use the 4-hour. Regardless, the market is still inside this zone. It's still inside here. So it's still inside here. So I would definitely not take a trade inside this zone. It's crazy. So guys, I think this is the end of the video. Today, this week there was just no video to make. This is the end of the video. You know what it is like. This is the reason why I'm looking to add one more pair to my this thing. I've been looking at a particular pair, so when I'm ready, I think I'm going to be adding that pair. But let's see how it goes. Like, this is the thing about trading. Like, you know when to sit on your hands. Trust me when I say I really wanted to trade. I really wanted to trade, but I just cannot trade when I don't see anything. So at the point where I'm at, like, my goal is discipline. Yeah, I know if you've been watching my channel since on my videos, then you know that's the goal. I prefer to be a disciplined trader than to be somebody taking trades that will not meet my criteria. And also, I'm documenting this thing online. So if I'm documenting it online, there are some people watching this thing and learning. You understand? So imagine me doing something else. Like, that's really one of my strengths, to be honestly frank. Knowing the fact that I'm documenting this thing online is not allowing me to fuck up. That's just the truth. It's not allowing me to fuck up. I'm being very careful. So this week is a very dull week. It's like a very dull week, a very boring week. Imagine waking up every day, sitting on the chat and not seeing anything to do. Crazy. Very boring. So I hope for this type of week not to come again, but if it does, who am I to tell it to leave? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what it is. So I'll catch you guys next week. Next week we'll be coming back and we'll be doing our thing. Last week I took the first week of February I took just one trade, and this week I didn't take any trade. So I've taken, I think, 5 trades so far, and the month is already gone. Next week is like the last week of the month, and I think March is starting in next week, in the coming week or next week here. So I'll catch you guys in that very next week. We hope for that week to be good. I'm up in profit though. I'm up in profit. So this is the account balance for you to know that I didn't take any trade. These are the account balance here on the screen. Is what it is. Let's see how it goes, guys. I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.